Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh to Serambi bin Saad. Today we would like to present our group project, the service blueprint, which is opening a saving account. Next. This is our group member. This is me, Alisa Natasha binti Nisham. Second, No Ismahani binti Syairul Latif. Third, No Yusra binti Norden. Fourth, Siti No Amirah binti Abdul Jalil. The last one is No Fifi Fahana binti Azhar. Is Public Bank Saving Account Service, established in 1966 with the mission of making banking accessible to all Malaysians. Public Bank has grown into a leading financial institution. The saving account service offers a secure and convenient process, including a straightforward application, reliable identity verification, and efficiency registration. This structure approach foster customer trust and ensure safety. Second, the public bank target customer are students, working adults, families and first-time saver, representing different life stage and income level within Malaysian society. For students, it offers affordable saving account and digital banking. Working adults benefit from salary account, loan, credit card and investment. Families again access to housing loan, insurance and education funds for long-term stability. Finally, first-time savers are supported with simple saving account to build financial discipline. Through this strategy, public bank effectively meets the unique needs of every segment in society. Meanwhile, public bank significant competitors are Maybank and CIMB, two of Malaysia's leading financial institutions. Maybank dominates with its vast domestic and international network, while CIMB leverage strong ASEAN presence and diverse investment. These rivals push public bank to refine strategy, enhance customer service, ensuring it remains a trusted name in this industry.
On this slide, we focus on the front stage activities that are involved in opening a saving account at public bank. So for the front stage activities are actions that are directly visible to customers and involve direct interaction between the customer and bank staff. First, the customer enters the public bank branch and takes a queue number. Next, the staff greets the customer and calls the queue number when it is their turn. The staff then checks the customer identification, such as their IC or passport, and reviews the application form. After that, the staff explain the available saving account option to the customer. Once the customer's signature to complete the process, finally, the staff hands over the ATM card and passbook to the customer. Overall, these front stage activities help ensure a smooth, clear, and professional customer experience during the account opening process. Next, this slide shows the physical evidence of front stage during the saving account opening process. So, physical evidence refers to tangible items and visible elements that customers can see, touch, or use while receiving the service. Examples include the queue number ticket, the account opening form, and the customer's IC or passport. Other physical evidence are the service counter desk, pamphlet, and brochures, and the ATM card provided to the customers. Customers may also receive receipts and they can see the digital queue number displayed on the screen. All these physical elements support the services process and help customers feel more confident, informed, and comfortable while dealing with the bank. So for the line of visibility, the line of visibility separates activities that are visible to customers from those that happen behind the scene. Above the line visibility, customers can see and directly interact with staff, including greetings, document checks, explanation, and handling over the over the account materials. Above the line of visibility, customers can see and directly interact with staff, including greetings, document checks, explanation, and handing over of account materials. So for the below of the line visibility, Staff perform internal processes that customers cannot see, such as verifying customer details in system, account activation, data entry, and also internal approval procedures.
Then I will be explaining about backstage activities. These refer to all operation tasks carried out by bank staff and automated systems that are not visible to the customer yet are critical to ensure that the service is delivered accurately, securely, and in compliance with regulations. These activities support the front stage service and help maintain efficiency, security, and trust. So for identifying verification in the systems, when the customer submit their identification documents, bank staff input the customer details into the internal systems. The system cross-check the information against internal database and national identity record to confirm the authenticity of the customer. Second is compliance screening. The bank conduct mandatory compliance check to ensure adherence to regulatory requirements set by Bank Negara Malaysia. This includes screening customer against anti-money laundering and counter-terrorism financing database. That is customer profile creation. After verification and compliance check are completed, staff create a customer profile in the bank or banking systems. This profile include personal information, account type, contact details, and any link services. The fourth one is data updates. Customer data is synchronized across multiple banking modules, including saving account, ATM service, online banking, and customer support system. This ensures consistency and accuracy of information across all platforms. Any changes are reflected in real time to avoid errors or service disruption. The next ATM card activation. The ATM card is encoded with the customer's account information and securely linked to the newly created account. The card is then activated in the system, enable the customer to withdraw cash, check balance, and perform transaction. For internal documentation, both physical and digital copies of the customer application forms and supporting document are securely stored. This documentation is essential for audit purpose, regulatory compliance, and future reference. Secure storage ensure confidentiality and protect customer data from unauthorized access. Next, I will be explaining about support processes and supplies. Support process and supply consist of infrastructure, system, and resource that enable both backstage and front stage activity to function smoothly. Although customer may not directly interact with these elements, they play a crucial role in service quality and reliability. For the first one is IT systems. The public bank core banking system and customer relationship management software form the backbone of banking operation. This system allows staff to process application, manage customer account, track interaction, and ensure seamless integration between different banking services. The second one is security systems. Advanced security systems such as biometric verification, uh, encrypted data transmission, and fraud detection software protect customer information and financial transactions. The third one is card production. Secure ATM card printing and encoding machine are used to produce card with embedded security feature. This machine ensures that each card is uniquely encoded and linked to the correct customer account, minimizing the risk of duplication or misuse. The fourth one is database management. A centralized customer database allows for real-time data storage, retrieval, and update. This enables staff to access accurate information quickly, improve operational efficiency, and support consistent service delivery across all banking channels. The fifth one is record keeping. Digital document management systems store application forms, identification documents, and legal records in a structured and secure manner. This supports regulatory compliance, simplifies audits, and reduces the reliance on physical paperwork. The last one is office supplies and equipment. Printers, photocopier, scanner, and secure storage facilities support daily banking operations. This tool enables staff to process document efficiently while maintaining confidentiality and proper handling of sensitive customer information. I'll pass to the next presenter.
For this part, I will explain the potential fail point in the service blueprint for opening a savings account at public bank. Fail points are staged in the service process where there is a high risk of service breakdown, which can negatively affect customer satisfaction and service quality. According to service blueprint literature, these fail points are critical because customers often judge service quality based on how smooth and efficient the process is. The first potential fail point is long queue and waiting time at the bank during peak hours. Customers may experience frustration while waiting to get a queue number or waiting for their number to be called. This can increase dissatisfaction even before the service begins. The second fail point is incomplete or incorrect document. If customers do not bring the required document or make mistake when filling in form, the process becomes slower and customer may need to repeat steps. Another major fail point is system downtime during verification. If the banking system is slow or temporarily unavailable, account opening will be delayed and customer may feel the service is inefficient. There can also be miscommunication between front stage and backstage staff, which may cause delay in account approval or data entry error. Lastly, delays in ATM card activation can prevent customers from using their accounts immediately, leading to dissatisfaction. Next. Next, I will explain the customer awaits identified in the service blueprint. Customer await refer to moment where customer have to wait before the next service step can continue. These waiting periods are important because long or unclear waiting time can negatively affect customer experience. The first customer await happen when customer wait to get a queue number after entering the bank. This waiting time creates the customer's first impression of the service. The second await occurs when customers wait for their number to be called. Without clear information or waiting duration, customer may feel uncomfortable or impatient. Another waiting point is during document verification at the counter, where customer wait while staff check their identification and form. Customer also experience waiting during system registration and account creation, even though this process happens backstage and is not visible to them. Finally, there may be a short wait during ATM card activation as the card may not to be usable immediately after being used. Next. So this is the service blueprint diagram for opening saving account at the public bank. And now I'll pass the presentation to the next presenter.
Okay, thank you to our previous presenter. Now, let's move into some of the recommendations that public bank can do. Okay, as for first recommendation, which is public bank can open an online pre-registration form, which is public bank can introduce an online pre-registration form where customer fill in their personal details and upload documents before coming to the branch. This help reduce waiting time at the counter and ensure customer arrive fully prepared, making the account opening process faster and smoother. And second recommendation, like digital queue management with real-time notification, this help to reduce long wait timing. Public bank can use a digital queue system that sends SMS update to customer. Customer will know their queue number and estimate waiting time, allowing them to wait comfortably instead of sitting in the branch for long periods. Next, recommendation 3, which is self-service kiosks in branches. Self-service kiosks can be placed in branches to allow customers to check in, scan documents, and take queue numbers by themselves. This reduces congestion at the counters and allows staff to focus on more important service tasks. After that, we have recommendation 4, which is improve in terms of IT system stability. Since the system downtime often causes delay during account verification and registration, by improving IT system stability and backend coordination, public bank can ensure faster processing, fewer interruption, and a more reliable customer experience. And then 5 recommendation, which is eKYC, which is known as Know Your Customer, and online identity verification, which is public bank can implement eKYC, where customer verify their identity digitally using their mobile phone. This reduces manual checks at the counter, speed up the verification process, and improve accuracy and security. And lastly, which is public bank can provide same day or instant ATM card activation. So next. And lastly, in conclusion, public banks saving account service is well organized and reliable. serving different customer groups such as students, working adults, and families. Their service blueprint shows smooth front stage and backstage process, support by IT and security system. However, issue like long waiting times and system delay can be improved by using digital pre-registration, eKYC, better queue management, and instant ATM activation. Public bank can enhance their customer experience and service efficiency. So that's all from our group. Thank you.